This video is going to walk you guys through how to check your injectors using an injector tester and how to clean your injectors with carburetor cleaner. So first thing, a tool that I bought, it's very handy, the All-Sun. It's the injector tester. You can buy this on Amazon, you can buy this other places, but what I will do is I will put the link to this injector tester within the description of this video to Amazon, so you can go out and purchase one if you want. It's a very simple, easy tool to use to test your injectors and to help you clean your injectors. This is the one I bought. It plugs into the wall. Some of them plug into a battery, but I bought this one that plugs into the wall. And it came with 4 portlets that you can attach to your injectors to possibly check and clean 4 injectors at a time, or however you want to. So I'm going to plug it into the wall. It's got 4 different modes. It's got a short mode, a medium mode, a long mode, and then a continuous mode. The only downside to this tool is that to change the modes you have to unplug it to plug it back in. You just can't change the mode while it's plugged in, and you'll see in a minute what I'm talking about. So plug your injector tester in, let it sit there, and once it's ready to be used, the number will display, and then you know it's ready to be used. Next thing, I took off my injector off the injection system. As you can see, so I have an 8 injection system on my race car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this injector, plug the tester into the injector here. This is the end where the carburetor cleaner will shoot out, and this is the end that I will stick into a kind of a do-it-yourself type of tool that I also bought on Amazon, that I'll also put in the link within this video description if you want to buy this as well. So it's very easy. It basically plugs into the top of the carburetor cleaner spray. It has an opening here. So what I'm going to do with the injector is, as you can see, the hole, and take the top of the injector, push it inside there with the plug-in facing the top, because that's where my tester will be plugged into. Then I'll shoot the carburetor cleaner out of this way. So as you can see, the number displayed on the testers, so it's telling me it's ready to be used. It's got a mode set and a pulse, so I'm going to change the mode setting to 4, which is a continuous mode. I'm going to hook up the tester to the injector. You feel a good, snug, firm fit. I'm going to hit the pulse button and you'll hear it. You see the green light, the pulse signal. When you're ready to stop it, since it's on continuous mode, push it one more time and it'll stop. So the next thing I want to do is I want to hook the adapter tool, injector testing tool, however you want to call it, into the top of the carburetor bottle. Again, you can use any type of carburetor cleaner that you need to help clear out any possibly clogged up debris within your injector or anything, to make sure it flows correctly. So I'm going to take the top of the red nozzle off, because this tool is what goes in the red cap's place. So just pop that off. So now you can see. So again, what I'm going to do is there's a small hole in the end of this, and I'm just going to press it down, Make sure it firmly fits and attaches to the top of the carburetor cleaner bottle. Once it's on good, give it a slight pull. Make sure it's on there connected correctly, doesn't come off. So I've given a slight pull and it's on top of the carburetor cleaner. So again, my injector, I'm going to snap it inside that tool cleaner. I'm going to take my injector tester, I'm going to plug it in the very top. Again, I'm on mode 4. I'm going to hit the pulse. I'm going to give a firm hold on the injector and push down on the carburetor cleaner tool. You can see that once you're done shooting the carburetor cleaner through the injector, hit your pulse on the tester again to stop it. Then you can pull the injector out of your tool. And then you can do your next injector. Again, you can do all your injectors that way. Like I said, I didn't know much about it. I always took my injectors to somebody to clean them out. But I'm saving a whole lot of money by testing and cleaning the injectors by myself. It's not hard to do. You don't have to be a mechanic to do this. Just make sure you have the right tools. And again, I'm going to put the links to how to get to that injector tester within this description of the video, and the link on how to get to this injector carburetor cleaner tool adapter that comes in very handy. So I hope this video helps anybody else out there that's struggling like I have to kind of be able to maintain your injectors on your own without having to take them to somebody else to work on them. You'll save a whole lot of money doing this stuff on your own, and it's something neat to learn, something new, and to do something. So thank you for watching this video, and again, please share it with anybody else that may need the information that you just saw in this video.